BeKynd Scalp Scrub is marketed as an exfoliating treatment for flakes, itchiness, scalp buildup, dandruff, and even conditions like psoriasis and eczema. It contains exfoliating ingredients, including acids, plus oils and physical exfoliants. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, scalp exfoliation can help remove excess oil, dead skin, and product buildup. BeKynd specifically lists ingredients such as salicylic acid, tamarind oil, and volcanic pumice. So there's a legitimate exfoliating concept behind the product. What it does well: removes buildup. The exfoliating ingredients can help loosen flakes, dead skin, oil, and product residue from the scalp. May reduce flaking. Regular, gentle exfoliation can make a flaky or oily scalp feel cleaner and more comfortable. Where the marketing falls apart: it's not a cure for psoriasis or eczema. BeKynd makes claims around helping symptoms of psoriasis and eczema, but a cosmetic scalp scrub shouldn't be treated as a replacement for medical treatment. More exfoliation isn't always better. Overusing acids or physical scrubs can irritate the scalp, particularly if your skin is already sensitive or inflamed. So, should you buy BeKynd Scalp Scrub? Short answer: maybe, if your main problem is scalp buildup or mild flaking. But if you're dealing with persistent itching, significant inflammation, psoriasis, eczema, or unexplained hair loss, don't assume a scalp scrub is going to solve the underlying problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.